Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 50 Neo, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings application, and once it's open, scroll all the way down to System, Reset Options, and then choose Erase All Data, Factory Reset. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, let's say right here. And most importantly, in this list, you will find things like music, photos, and user data. These are primarily the data that you kind of might actually want to preserve, unlike the downloaded app, system app data, and accounts. So if you have anything like music, photos, and user data that you want to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you go any further with the actual reset, as the reset will remove all of this. Now, once you have done the backup, you can come back here and then just continue by selecting Erase All Data. And obviously, if you don't want to back up anything, you can just continue on and select Erase All Data once more, which will now begin factory resetting your device. This process will take up to 2 minutes or so to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So, with that being said, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.